Hey everybody, Dan here from Sherp ET. Been kind of out of it a little bit because I have been going out and getting to learn how to use the jet ski. Today what we're going to do is we're going to get ready to go to McCaslin Mountain Campground next weekend for the 4th of July. See some fireworks there. We're going to bring the Sherp. So I'm going to try to make sure the Sherp is rear and ready to go. Get that stuff done today. Julie got this really cool new flag. Let's see, hopefully you can see that. Pretty cool, eh?
Thought I'd throw a little bit more jet skiing action in because I have been kind of busy with that lately. Let me know if you like it or not.
You'll see. It started, that's a good sign, very good sign. We got it coast mode and you can stand up with this. And then you punch it and it'll jump up in the air. That's how you do it. I don't know, just the way it works. You punch it and it goes.
That's how you do it.
Let it wipe out. So the Sherp has been taking a little bit of a breather as I've been running around again on that jet ski.
One more thing that's been occupying my time is getting ready for deer hunting coming up this fall. Just used the old 360 camera to try to capture a little footage of us mowing some deer pass up through the woods. If you would have went off of this hill, you would have rolled all the way down. Very steep. But back to the Sherpin video.
But she is rearing to go. I have to fill up the air in the tires about, I'd say once a week. It'll start to leak a little bit. The trailer's more significant, but again, I took one of the tires that I severely put a hole in and I put it on the other Sherp too, and maybe that's why that one's leaking, I'm not sure. So we're going to go split some wood. A tree blew down the front of the house, and we're going to get that done today, so it's pretty cool.
Oh, what happened to the Sherp, Dan? We got 2 flat tires. We got 4 flat tires. What happened here?
The exhaust boot that comes from the valve when you switch the exhaust going out of the engine to the tires blew off right here. So there's supposed to be a rubber boot that goes all the way over this, like this side over here. You can see it much better because it doesn't have everything else. This is supposed to be on, that's gone. So this thing came off and it's down here. So what the problem has to be fixed is all these damn bearings in the inside of there got to get fixed. And I believe that is outside of my abilities, but I'm not sure. So the other thing is we don't know where to put this right now because the tires are completely flat. We want to put it up in the air, which can leave them flat, but I'm not going to do that. But we're sitting on a hill, and if I put it back inside of the shed, I know I have to take the tires off to take this thing out, this whole shaft. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet.
Okay. So as Dan said, we're kind of stuck up on a hill here. He's backing out of the shed when the exhaust pipe blew off. Kind of scared us, but it was okay. And the opening of the door of the shed is not going to be wide enough because when we have flat tires, it makes the overall width of the Sherp much wider.
So this bearing right here is frozen onto this shaft, and that's why that rubber grommet there came off. It's because this quit moving. So that bearing is held on with this, and then there's a frame right here, and then there would be that rubber part over the top of it. I'm just going to try to see if I can get that to move a little bit and see if we can get it to spin free. But who knows if that's going to work or not. She's tight. Well, another video is coming. I got the parts on order. They should be here in a couple of days, hoping that I can get this thing together so we can still make it up for the 4th of July and kind of go from there. More to come. More to come. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Click the like on there if you like the video, and let me know what you do and do not like. Take care.